Mistake number one is overwatering, especially early on. You do not want to drown your seedlings. And I understand, you know, you just want to give them as much water, you want to show them some love, but you can't really do that early on. Especially early on, they have a very small root system and you can very easily drown it. So you just want to water a ring around like 2 to 3 inches away from your plant's stem. And you also, to know when it's time to water, you can dip your finger 2 inches down. And if it's moist, then you don't need water. If it's getting dry, then put a little more in. And I ran into this problem with my plant early on as well, before I even started uploading the videos. But got that situated, got her on her own self-watering base, and it's been going great. So I love those. Mistake number 2 is training your plant too late. It's an autoflower. It's gonna flower automatically around day 30. Every single seed will do that. Get out of my word with that one. But you want to start around before day 14, you know, around day 14. Some people, they'll start week 3, and that's just a little too late, you know. It's not going to do much because it's about to start heading flowering, and it's going to start changing its focus onto making buds rather than opening up and making more bud sites, you know. So you gotta, like mine, started her pretty early. It was like day 10, and you got this nice thick stem, this right here, nice and thick. And you got all these thick branches poking out. Look at her. She's almost ready, but not almost there. Not entirely. Mistake number 3, nutrient burn. Feeding your girl too much newts. It's an autoflower, not a photoperiod. You gotta remember that. It's not gonna want full strength or half strength right off the bat. You gotta start off at a quarter, start them young. Start giving them newts as early as possible so they get used to it. I used Fox Farm soil, so that exactly where it's recommended, around day 30 mark, is when I started feeding her. Half strength, not half strength, quarter strength. Start off at a quarter, she's doing good, give her another quarter. Next feed, let's give her a half. And continue like that. Maybe you get up to a full strength, maybe the plant won't like it. I've noticed mine, she doesn't care. So I've been giving her full strengths, and that's like that. Varies by the plant, varies by the genetics. So make sure you know your genetics, looking to see if this is a plant that can handle the high feeds or low feeds. So do your research. Mistake number 4 is light burn. You don't want to give your plant too much light, especially too early on. That'll really fuck them up. You just want to get it right. Every light you buy, it should have a chart. I don't remember what's called off the top of my head, but I will pop it up. The exact recommended height and the recommended power wattage that you're going to put your light on, and it should give you around the recommended PBFD for that stage. From some lights will even show seedling, veg, and flower. Some just show veg and flower, so make sure you look into that. And for my setup, this Spider Farmer SF1000 is perfect for my 2x2. She loves it. I loves it. I loves it. I love it. It's got a nice dial knob right here. You can, what is it called? You can daisy link them if you wanted to. And it's a nice light. I like it. It's got a great spectrum as well. Let's see her. She's doing happy under it. A little bit of nutrient burn or something on my end, but I'm not too worried. We're close to harvest. It's not gonna affect her that much. Also, I forgot to mention, when it comes to lighting, you should be using a par meter, or you can use Jesus Christ. You can use phototone, and you don't even have to buy a diffuser for that. You can just use a piece of paper, wrap it around the top of your phone, and you'll get an accurate reading, or I'm pretty sure it's accurate. It hasn't been doing me wrong with this grow. And you can also buy like a really fancy one, but you don't need that. Just use a piece of paper and download the free app. So, just one little thing I forgot to add in there. Number 5, the one I see the most, harvesting way too early, or just early in general. You know, there's a bunch of signs you want to look for, like your trichomes. They should be all milky. I like to just have just a very little amber, because that lets you know that it's hit its peak. Now it's just a little bit past its peak, but still really good. Unless you, of course, if you want to get some couch lock, then let that shit go amber. You'll be sleeping for days. But also, like this one green crack from Fast Buds, it's recommended to chop around day 60, I believe. I'm on day 84, and some people, they pay attention too close to those numbers. They'll chop it around that day. You're gonna have straight bunk. You don't want that. It's not good. So you gotta pay attention to your trichomes, your pistils. They should be turning orange and curling back. And yeah, do not harvest too early. It's gonna make you sad. Don't waste all that time just to harvest some mid-men. Speaking of harvest timing, this green crack, she's almost there. Not quite there, but in the next video, we'll be talking about the 5 signs that you're gonna be wanting to look for when you're ready to harvest. And if this video saved you from making any mistakes, then hit that subscribe button. I post new Autoflower content every week, and there's some more mistakes that have to be covered. Drop a comment which mistakes you're making. I read every single one, respond to every single one. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe, hit that like button, and peace out. See you next week.